Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to send large videos on Gmail. So let's start. First of all, over here you can see here is my video which I want to send. Now when I tap on this here and tap on Gmail, then you can see here file exceeds the maximum size. Then to send this on Gmail, first of all we need to do is go to share and first of all save it to drive. You can give your name and also choose your mail on which your video is to be saved. Now I'll choose this default and tap on this save. You can see here our file is uploading. You can see here this is uploading. You can see here one file is uploaded to my Google Drive. Then you can see here one pop-up as share link. Tap on this share link. Then all you need to do is go to Gmail. Over here you can see the drive link is in my Gmail and you can simply send to the person you like by tapping their email address. Now I will type and then send. So in this way we can send large videos on Gmail. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.